Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now here I am going to explain inorganic qualitative analysis, that is salt analysis, specially referred to unknown acid radical. Already I have completed 10 acid radicals, and now this one is the 11 acid radicals, and now the part that is 13. In qualitative analysis, this is part 13, and it is very helpful for the class 11th and 12th in practical chemistry. Especially when we see the acid radical, now here it is given as packet number 11 to me. Let here packet number 11 acid radical unknown is given to me. When the acid radical is given, or any salt is given, either acid radical or basic radical, first we will see what is the color, what is the structure and solubility. Now color here white. Here always your first physical objection is very important. Now color is white, structure crystalline and solubility in water. Now see, after physical examination, we will proceed to dry test and wet test. What are dry test and wet test? Dry test which informs, which concludes that the acid radical may be. And then going to the wet test, after dry test, we will go to wet test. Wet test means confirm test. Confirm test, here we will see the yes, this acid radical is confirmed. In dry test, what we conclude? It may be, one acid radical may be. Now started here dry test. I have done dry test, that is first is dilute sulfuric acid test. What is dilute sulfuric acid test? Salt is taken in a test tube and added dilute sulfuric acid. That means here this is group 1 test. In group 1 acid radical we will add dilute sulfuric acid. Then what happens? No effervescence took place, no gas, no color, anything, nothing is observed, that is called effervescence not taking. That means no effervescence took place, and first group radicals carbonate, sulfide, nitrite. See here, carbonate, sulfide and nitrite absent. That means we have to proceed second group acid radical, that is for dry test. Yes, I have done. Salt is taken in a test tube and added concentrated sulfuric acid. Now when the concentrated sulfuric is added, here I observe, what is the observation? I observe effervescence took place. Effervescence took place means either some reaction, either some color vapors we should observe. Yes, I observe it. So it may be chloride, bromide, iodide and acetate. That means here out of 4 acid radicals, chloride, bromide, iodide, acetate, one should be there. Then what is that acid radical may be? That means we observe color and smell of the gas. Then here first I observe colorless pungent smell gas. Colorless pungent smell gas, immediately I thought that yes, it is maybe chloride. But after that, immediately a glass rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide and shown to the mouth of the test tube. When it is shown to the mouth of the test tube, then what happened? That means white fumes obtained, white fumes evolve. That means it may be chloride. White fumes mean ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, you know, that is a sublimate. So here colorless pungent smell gas evolve, and that changes ammonium hydroxide to fumes, white fumes evolve. That means maybe chloride. But out of 4, if it is maybe chloride, I should clarify whether it is sure maybe chloride or any confusion, because there are 4 acid radicals are there in second group. That is why I have to see what are not present. No brown gas evolve. I have never observed any brown color gas, only colorless pungent smell gas. That is why bromide absent. I observe no violet vapors. That means iodide absent. and no vinegar smell observed. I observe the smell of the gas here. Everywhere there is a pungent smell, but here also a pungent, but it is known smell, that is vinegar smell. So acetate absent. That means I can observe here that no brown gas evolve, no violet vapors evolve, and no vinegar smell evolve. That means it is sure may be chloride. It is sure may be chloride because white fumes obtain and here colorless pungent smell gas obtain evolve. That is why it is may be chloride. After this dry test, I will go to the other test one for wet test, and also someone is there for dry test. I have to complete dry test first, then I will go to wet test, and after that we will see what are the wet tests of, that is confirmed test of chloride. Now we will see here wet test for acid radical, that is chloride. What is wet test? Wet test means confirmed test. Confirmed test for chloride. Here, what are the confirmed tests of chloride? That is your wet test. To the salt solution, 2 drops of nitric acid and then silver nitrate solution is added. Silver nitrate solution is a colorless solution. When it is added to here, it gives cloudy white precipitate. That cloudy white precipitate is soluble in ammonium hydroxide and insoluble in nitric acid. This is very important. That white precipitate, cloudy type for precipitate, which is obtained, that is soluble in ammonium hydroxide because it gives a good complex, and insoluble in nitric acid. So confirmed chloride. This is very important test for chloride. Then come to the salt solution, added a pinch of, this is not a actually wet test, but it is very important confirmed test. That is why here it is added. To the salt added, that is solid MnO2. MnO2, that color is black color. It is a solid one. When it is added and added concentrated sulfuric acid, I have done this one. I have added concentrated sulfuric acid, then it gives greenish color gas, that is chlorine. Greenish color gas is obtained, which is pungent smell, that is chlorine. Chlorine gas, so it is confirmed chloride. That means here it is very important, manganese dioxide, that is color is black and solid, it is added to the salt, and here concentrated sulfuric acid is also added, and it gives a greenish color yellow gas, that is chlorine gas. Next one important, to the salt solution, to the salt added, that is potassium dichromate. What is the color of the potassium dichromate? That is orange color. And added concentrated sulfuric acid, and what happened here, it gives orange red gas obtained. Orange red gas evolve, and that pass through the what gas, sodium hydroxide solution. Now orange red gas evolve, that pass the gas through the NaOH solution which turn yellow color. That is very important. The gas when passed to the salt, the sodium hydroxide solution, it gives yellow color. It changes to yellow color. The solution totally changes to yellow color. And also to the yellow solution, that yellow solution, and added here dilute acetic acid and lead acetate solution, dilute acetic acid and lead acetate solution. Then what happened? It gives a yellow precipitate is obtained, yellow color precipitate obtained. And after doing these tests, first you will take salt and add a potassium dichromate, which is orange color, and then add concentrated sulfuric acid, and here it gives orange red gas evolve, and that pass through the sodium hydroxide solution, which is colorless, and it gives yellow solution. And now to that yellow solution added dilute acetic acid and lead acetate solution. Lead acetate solution, there is a colorless one, and it gives yellow precipitate. That means here confirmed chloride. These are the confirmed test of chloride. First we have done that dry test, and after that wet test. After that we concluded that the acid radical in packet number is chloride. That means here I proved that what package acid radical is given to me, that is chloride, Cl minus. You will write and also spelling chloride. Now after that I should know what are the reactions involved in the all the type of experiment, all the type of reactions. Everyone has a reaction. So the first the salt is taken. Let us the salt is sodium chloride and added concentrated sulfuric acid. Effervescence took place, and that is Na2SO4 sodium sulfate HCl pungent smell gas, which is a colorless pungent smell gas evolved. And after that also I will show you here what are the other type of reactions involved in all the type of experiment in dry test and wet test also. Now we will see what are the reactions involved in chloride test. The reaction mean equation. What are the equation? We have done dry test, we have done the wet test, that is confirmed test. First of all, in dry test I have taken the salt and added concentrated sulfuric acid. Then what happened? Here colorless pungent smell gas evolved. Colorless pungent smell gas evolved to that gas when a rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide solution and shown to the gas. What happened? White fumes form. What are the white fumes? The white fumes nothing, they are only ammonium chloride. You know ammonium chloride is a sublimate compound, that is why here white fumes obtain. Now second test in our wet test, a sodium chloride, so let us the salt is sodium chloride, that solution I have taken and silver nitrate solution added in presence of nitric acid because it will give good product. So silver chloride, that is a cloudy white precipitate. And now this silver chloride when added to ammonium hydroxide, then what happens? It is soluble. I told in the experiment it is soluble. Why it is soluble? Because it forms a complex. This complex that is soluble in nature, in water, soluble in water, that is a complex compound and soluble in nature. Then next reactions. Here though I told here sodium chloride solid and added a manganese dioxide which is solid black color and concentrated sulfuric acid, immediately a greenish yellow yellow color gas evolved. That in greenish yellow color gas, that is nothing, that is chlorine. Chlorine gas is greenish yellow color. So sodium chloride, manganese dioxide both are solid and added concentrated sulfuric acid in the test tube. Then it gives the chlorine gas. Also I got here greenish color gas. Next reactions, you see what are the equations involved. Sodium chloride solid is taken, potassium dichromate solid is taken, concentrated sulfur added, immediately it gives yellow gas. These are the byproducts: sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate and water. What are the main product? Chromyl chloride, that is yellow color gas. That yellow color gas when passed through the sodium hydroxide solution in a test tube, you pass this gas, what is that one? Chromyl chloride, yellow color gas, pass through the sodium hydroxide solution. What happened? The total solution turned to red. Then why? Because it forms sodium chromate. Sodium chromate, that color is yellow color and it is in aqueous, that is yellow color solution. I will get here yellow color solution is formed. Now sodium chromate, that is yellow solution, this is color is yellow solution. Then what happened here? In presence of acetic acid, dilute acetic acid, this is lead acetate is added. Then what happened? Yellow precipitate is formed. Yellow precipitate means lead chromate. What is the color of the lead chromate solution? And that is not solution, sorry, it is a precipitate. Lead chromate precipitate, what is the color? Yellow color. So here confirm that we are having chloride radical. That means I got that what is the radical, unknown acid radical, that is chloride. These are the reaction where equations are involved here. These equations are very important, and one should know why yellow precipitate is formed, why yellow solution is formed, why there is a white cloudy precipitate. All the things clear by these reactions involved in chloride test. I hope it is clear to you what is the acid radical in packet number 11 is given to me, and that is chloride. And hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also hope you will like and share my channel